Over the past 3 days, Afghanistan has been blanketed by heavy snowfall, leading to a tragic toll of 15 lives lost and nearly 30 individuals injured, according to the reports. Additionally, reports from Balkh and Faryab province reveal a devastating impact on livestock, with approximately tens of thousands of animals perishing in the recent snowfalls. Residents expressed deep concern over the ongoing heavy snowfall, highlighting the loss of livestock, blocked roads, and limited movement. Several residents are also stressed about the urgent need for government assistance, particularly for those affected by road blockages and the plight of hungry livestock. In response to the crisis, Afghanistan has formed a committee comprising various ministries to address the damages, especially for livestock owners. The government has also allocated 50 million Afghanis to support affected livestock owners in Balkh, Jawzjan, Badghis, Faryab, and Herat province. The Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock praises the swift response of the provincial committees. These committees are actively engaging in tasks such as opening blocked roads, distributing food and fodder, and rescuing stranded individuals. Whereas the spokesperson for the Afghan Red Crescent Society notes the efforts of winter service workers in providing assistance across various provinces affected by the snowfalls. The severe snowfall has led to the closure of vital transportation routes, including the Salang Pass, impacting the access to provinces like Ghor, Badghis, Ghazni, Herat, and Bamyan. Mohammad Ashraf Hakshenaz from the Ministry of Public Works confirmed the temporary blockage of these routes due to heavy snowfall. Whereas the spokesperson for the provincial governor of Faryab reports heavy snowfall causing road closures in most districts, leaving residents in remote areas stranded. Tragically, one person lost his life in Cheher Sada district on the Turkmenistan border too. The situation underscores the immediate need for coordinated relief efforts to assist affected communities and restore essential service in the wake of the snowstorm.